Okay, smile. What is your name? How old are you, Nicolo?
5 years old.
5 years old. Okay, face on your right like this. And smile. Okay, face on the other side. Smile. Okay, face front. Do you know how to sing? Yes. What are you going to sing? Huh? Okay, what's the title of your song? What a Foxy. Okay. Do you know how to dance? Yes? Okay, let me see how you dance. Okay, smile. Okay, when I say action, just pretend you're eating the hamburger. Say, so yummy. Dapat you're happy, okay? I-try mo nga, Nicolo. Action.
Sarap.
Okay, one more pa nga. Dapat dito lang sa camera nakatingin, okay? Gawin mo ulit. Action.
Sarap.
Okay, one more pa nga. Dapat super happy.
Sarap.
Ngayon naman, pretend ka that you're sad because you're hungry. Say, Mommy, I'm so hungry. Okay, can you try? Action.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, can you do it again? Dapat makita you're sad. Okay? Do it. Okay, one more pa nga, yung walang smile. Dapat you're sad lang. Okay? Okay, sabihin mo nga sa akin ang wow na masaya.
Wow!
Sobrang saya.
Wow!
Okay, wow naman, pero you're sad, malungkot. Say, wow. One more pa nga. Okay, say wow with angry face.
Wow!
Ganon, wow.
Wow!
Okay, wow naman with surprise face.
Wow!
Okay, smile.